today I'm going to be doing a tier list. Now, for what you don't know about me is that I'm a huge fan of the Scream franchise. And I wanted to give my tier list on these masks. First off, the aged Ghostface mask is good, cool, but it doesn't beat the classic. The 20th anniversary mask, I'd give this an A as well. The bleeding mask, I only owned a bleeding Ghostface mask once in my life. The Arctic Dead by Daylight Ghostface mask, see, don't really like it. The bling, the bling bleeding mask, I'd give this A as well. I'd give this an S. MTV Scream Brandon James Ghostface mask, the bleeding variant, I'd give this a D. Here's the bleeding, the two bling Ghostface masks aren't bad, but they're not my type of masks that I like. The Devil Ghostface mask is my favourite. Let's get this out of the way. The classic Ghostface mask is amazing. This Dead by Daylight Ghostface mask, I don't know, I forgot the name, but I do like it in game. It looks cool along with the costume. The MTV Scream Ghostface Brandon James mask, the classic one, S. It's good. People say that it's not their type of Ghostface, and I agree with that, but the mask sort of does look creepy. The metallic blue, I've always wanted to own this one, but I didn't get the chance to. Now this looks good. The Scream green fluorescent Ghostface mask, I'd give this a S because it reminds me of like Stab, like the movie series in the Scream universe. The other ones though, I'd give them a C as well. The Pride Ghostface mask, I don't mind it. It looks cool, I guess. This one, I do want to get this one, like get two of them and paint one of them to look like the UK flag. The pumpkin one, I own this one, but it's hard for me to get comfortable wearing it, so Santa Ghostface, I don't mind this one either, or the Scarecrow one. The Scorched Ghostface mask, ugh, I don't care too much about it. Let's get these scary movie masks out the way. Ukraine, I don't own this mask, but I'd like to test it out, see how good it is. The zombie one, I've never owned one of these, so I can't say I like it. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this.